Once a year, Zenith Aircraft around the country come back home to Mexico, Missouri. They do this to attend the Zenith Homecoming and Open Hangar Days Fly-In event. It's like a big family reunion where pilots gather to celebrate aviation, kit building, and their love for Zenith Aircraft. This is a 2-day event full of workshops, seminars, tech demonstrations, airplanes, great food, and so much more. Come see and learn about the latest from Zenith Aircraft, as well as from engine, propeller, avionics, and other vendors that support aircraft home builders. Whether you fly in or drive in, free camping is available right at the airport, with plenty of opportunities to relax, connect, and enjoy the camaraderie of fellow aviation enthusiasts from across the country. Learn about new FAA rules that expand light sport aircraft and sport pilot privileges and how they're going to affect builders and pilots. Regardless of why you come, there is so much to do, and we can't wait to see you September 18th and 19th during the annual Zenith Homecoming event, presented by the Chris Heinz Foundation.